How to use Indeed job search to find your dream job. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Indeed job to find your dream job. Easy and fast guide. So let's start. First thing, after you download the app, you need to create an account, and it is actually easy. And after you create account, you will find this page. Now you should right here write what the job title. Let's say let's just write designer, as you can see, and where, let's say California, for example. Now click find jobs. After you click find jobs, you will find a lot of jobs here that you can choose between, like this one, footwear designer. Someone is searching for a footwear designer for 50K a year, and that's a good amount of money actually. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.